Hello students. So this is one of the example question which is given in your textbook, example 7.7. So this is based on the surface area of a cone and cylinder. Okay. So first we have to read the question, then we have to draw the diagram. Okay. From a solid cylinder whose height is, so there is a solid cylinder, see here, there is a solid cylinder, okay, there is a solid cylinder whose height is h is equal to 2.4 centimeter, okay, and the diameter, the base diameter d is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So then what about the base radius? R is equal to 0.7 because R is equal to d by 2, 1.4 by 2 is equal to 0.7 centimeter. So base diameter 1.4, then the base radius is 0.7. Okay. Then look at the next sentence. A conical cavity of the same height and the base is hollowed out. So this is a solid, it is a solid, and what they are doing, they are taking a conical part, a cone with the same height and the same base, they are taking away. So from this horn, from this cylinder, they are taking this cone away. So how it will be? It looks like, so they are taking away. So final shape, how it will be? It will be a cylinder, but inside there is a hollow cone is there. So we have to find the surface area of this shape. So surface area of the remaining solid is equal to, surface area of the remaining solid is equal to, how will be the remaining solid? In the, when we look at the outer side, it will be a cylinder, but inside it will be a cone. See, but inside, when you look at the outer side will be a cylinder. So the entire outside will be there. CSA of a cylinder will be there. Cylinder plus inside is also area is there, but inside it look like a cone. Inside it is a cone. So CSA of the cone plus the top will be, there will not be any top, it is a hollow space, but the bottom will be a circle. Area of the bottom, because there is no top, because the top of the cylinder is taken away along with the cylinder, along with the cone. So CSA of a cylinder is there, inside CSA of the cone is there, bottom is like a circle, there is no top. So sum of this area is equal to the remaining surface area of the remaining part of the solid. Okay. So now we will write the formula. CSA of a cylinder 2 by r h plus CSA of a cone pi r l. The h and r is common for all the shapes, plus area bottom is like a circle, so by r square. So here what are the common terms? Pi r is common term for all the term. So pi r into 2h plus L plus pi r is common, remaining 1 r. So we know the value of h and r, but we don't know the value of L. So L we have to find it separately. L is equal to, what is the formula for L? L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Square root of h square 2.4 square plus r square 0.7 square. So 2.4 square. So now we have square means we have to multiply 2.4 into 2.4, 24 into 24, 4 4s are 16, balance 1, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 24s are 48, 5.76 plus 7 7s are 49, 0.49 is equal to square root of 6.25 is equal to 6.25 is 2.5 whole square. So square root will be removed, 2.5 centimeter. This is the height of the slant height of the cone. So pi value 22 by 7 into r 0.7 into 2h, 2 into h value 2.4 plus L 2.5 plus 0.7. So this can be cancelled. 1 into 0.7 is 0.7, 10 into 0.7 is 7. So 10 by 22 by 10 into 2 24s are 48 plus 2.5 into 0.7 is 3.2. So 2.2, 22 divided by 10 is equal to 2.2 into 7, 8. So 2.2 into 8, 16. So 17.6 centimeter square. This is the remaining surface area of the solid. So we have to understand the meaning of the question, then we have to draw the diagram, then we can solve the problem easily. Okay, good.